I have 3 hours to protect these chickens from the surrounding predators by replacing sagging fencing, patching holes, and repairing their gate. At the end of 3 hours, I'm going to put 6 eggs in the middle of the chicken run and leave them overnight. If even one is broken by a predator, I'm going to build a brand new chicken hospital. Will I make it? Will I be able to protect those 6 eggs from outside threats? Or will I get to be a construction worker for a day? Keep watching to find out. The clock starts right now.
Homesteading health.
So number 1, this is plenty of time. This fence right here goes to the old chicken hospital, a temporary fence. I'm gonna be losing a lot of time if I have to chase chickens everywhere because they're easily able to escape. So the main goal is to be able to replace this, but part of that is getting this fence out. Daylight is gonna be a huge problem. I feel like quitting. I'm half an hour in, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it done. Okay, so we're coming up on the gate. I'm gonna be repairing the gate later because a skunk went straight under it. Okay, how am I gonna, stand, no, stay inside. It's taking up more time than I thought it would. Nope, back inside. Stay inside, right now. This is literally just to blockade them for 3 hours. 2 hours and 20 minutes remain. Okay, where are the pliers? Losing tools, losing daylight, could very easily be losing chickens. Yeah, things are not looking good right now. This whole back fence here is basically like a welcome sign to predators. Okay, why did we put a wire on here? Like an extra wire. There's no way I'm giving up right now. I think I've got it. I've got like about 2 hours left. Oh, wow. So every one of these leaning posts used to be a weak point, and those are the points where predators would push through. That's why I took all of them out. And remember, if even one egg is gone, I build a new chicken hospital. Whoa! Oh, come on. All right. Pretty secure. That's gonna be the end post. Oh wow. Yeah, this one is bent, like a lot. I'm gonna go find another one. Wow, this is secure. It's gonna take a while for the wind and other circumstances to push it in. This is exactly what I need. Now you might be wondering what we use for our fencing. Like you've seen me doing before, we have these T-posts. This is what they look like. So first of all, you're gonna take your T-post and stick it into the ground. And then you're going to take something like this just to slam the post into the ground. Then you're going to take something like these clips and you are going to take your fencing and clip it to the T-post like you're seeing in this picture. So that's how you do it. You're usually going to clip one at the top and one closer to the bottom. This is exactly what I was picturing. So I am literally halfway through my time right now. And as you can see, I have 3 fence posts in. I'm hoping to get this done within the next half hour, get the fence up and everything. I'm running out of daylight. So yeah, we're gonna need to set up lights so that this is halfway decent footage. Oh man, I don't think this is gonna be good. Load the cannons! Well, I was not able to make my goal of getting the fence up by the 2-hour mark, but we're gonna keep working. The sun is dropping behind the hill over there. Brand new fence here. Chickens going inside like they should be. It's good. I have no idea where the pliers are. Oh man. This is literally going to be a huge upgrade for them. This is generally what the fence looked like before, and here's what it looks like right now. I think we need some lights. Oh wow. You've got to be kidding me. I have half an hour left. Perfect. Back to work before the sun goes down. Oh wait, never mind. The sun already went down. Come on! Currently have 28 minutes left. And I still have a bunch of stuff that I need to do. The fence, and then under the gate. Those are the two big things. And then there's like checking for other holes and stuff. Oh man, that's coyotes. I doubt you can hear that. But yeah, that is why we're doing this. Look, if this is the weak spot, I am going to not like myself very much. We are currently down to 20 minutes left. They will find a weak spot. This is horrible. This is the weak spot right here. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Alright, now it's time to work on the gate. I'm literally running out of time. I've got like 13 minutes left or so. Here is half a dozen eggs. We're going to go ahead and put it in the middle of the yard, and hopefully they're all going to still be here by tomorrow. We're not going to put any sort of cage over top of them. I'm going to go ahead and place these on the ground. Okay, the end. I'm going to leave those and not break any of them. So that is that. Now, literally in the few remaining seconds that we have, we're going to go ahead and close this up. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0. No more touching the stuff in here until tomorrow, and hopefully they'll all still be there. So I'll check in with you tomorrow. Alright, so I'm headed up to the chicken yard this morning, and if I see broken eggs, I'm building a hospital. So, yeah, let's see what we find. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we got it. 6 eggs, 1 chance, 3 hours. Yeah, we made it. Nice. So you should go down and hit subscribe so that I don't make the chickens do security themselves.